Damn, man, this is good.
And they're air popped, not fried.
Popcorners, you're an artist.
Actually, Jesse, it's just basic ingredients.
Mr. Y,
Jesse,
everyone's gonna wanna taste. And I know just I gotta talk to.
Jesse, we need to cook the perfect snack.
Yo, Mr. White, this popcorn is already perfect. They're crunchy and tasty.
What's this? What are you two selling?
It's not what you think, man.
Smells like popcorners?
It is popcorners, the perfect snack. No bad stuff, just air popped. Full flavor.
Let me try it. Tight. That's the best chips I ever had. What do you call this flavor?
White cheddar, baby.
I love this business, man.
Introducing Popcorners, wholesome snack that changes the game. No artificial stuff, no nonsense, just crazy good flour.
Popcorners, say yes to snack that don't break bad.
Say yes to breaking the bad.